and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. If you like any of those things, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, luxury, please subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I'll put out a bonus video. So hit that notification bell so the next time I upload off schedule, you will be automatically notified. Without further ado, today we are getting into a haul or unboxing, but I already unboxed it because that takes too long when I have to get through the tape and try not to show my address label. So it's like, okay, let's take it out the box ahead of time and let's get right into the video. So today is going to be really quick. I am sharing with you an item that I purchased from a fashion to figure. Now I purchased this in December and I am reviewing it today because I needed to get it unboxed and out of my living room. So I'm going to show you the item that I picked up. If you want to see it, just keep watching. Wow. Took it out of the box. I did not unwrap it. But you can kind of see it. It is brown. It is a vinyl coat. Long. I'm not for sure about the mohawk hair, but maybe we can get over that. So this says it's a vinyl belt trench. It is in a size 1. I picked it up during one of the sales, although I think a week after I made my purchase, it went down to like $96. I picked it up for $128. I'm quite sure, since it is now February, it's probably lower than the $96. So if you like it on me, if this is something that you like, now is the best time to buy these type of items. Here we go. We have like a chocolate brown. Lots of stitching detail in the front and the back. Faux hair. The collar is detachable, so if you want to take this off, you can do that. It comes with a tie belt. Ooh, it's pretty long. I am 5'3" and a 4", and it is very, very long on me. I mean, well, not on me because I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm putting it up against me and it's almost hitting the ground. So here is the stitching in the back, all down the front. It did not have too much of an odor. Sometimes they come with a very strong faux leather smell, and it's just like a hint of it, just a hint, but it's not strong at all. And then it's been in the box for almost 2 months, so that's pretty good. Lastly, the trench coat does come with 2 snaps. 2 snaps, snap, snap. No other type of button, no other type of buttons. Just the belt and the 2 snaps that cross right, I believe, right below your chest. This is a size 1, and I picked up the size 1 because I was reading the reviews and it said that it ran large. So I thought, okay, usually I wear 2, but I was like, okay, if it says it runs large, then I'm gonna get a size 1. Although I have been eating, so I might have should have got a size 2. So that is the item that I wanted to share with you. It is the fashion 2-figure faux leather trench coat. But before I get to the next item, I wanted to share with you, because I know Valentine's is coming up. You might be wondering or thinking about, well, what can I do? What can I do? Well, depending on the weather, of course, maybe you could wear this jacket. You could wear this jacket, but keep it simple. Keep it simple. Go dig in that lingerie drawer that you have. Pull out a sexy red bra or some sexy panties. That's it. That's all you need. Red bra, sexy panties, and this jacket. and you are set. Keep it simple. Or if you want, if you're going out, you're saying, Carmen, but I'm going out. Okay, sexy red bustier with some vinyl leggings, with some black vinyl leggings. So you're gonna have this brown jacket on, you're gonna have the red bustier on, and then the black vinyl pants. Yes, sexy, sexy. So those are two options for you. Now let's get into the last item that I picked up. I got this from Macy's. Oma The Label. I was watching Aaliyah's face when she did, I don't know what, some kind of unboxing, and she had this beautiful chain on around her neck. Very simple, very chic, and I was like, yes, yes. Picked this up from Macy's, and you can too. It was very affordable. I'll put the price on the screen because I can't think of it right now. But it's like a twisted chain. And gold tone. It shipped very fast. Look at that. Because who knew it would be at Macy's? I didn't know. Did you know that Macy's carried Oma The Label? I did not. But it has a lobster clasp to open and close your beautiful twisted necklace. It is very, very nice. I really like it. Very, very weighty. I'm gonna put it on for you. Hopefully it doesn't take forever, because with these nails, oh, let me show you my nail. This one is supposed to be sexy. I don't know. And then there you go. And this is the sweater look. So here it is on. I love it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know what you think about my suggestions about keeping it simple for V-Day. You know, you don't have to go out and spend a whole lot unless you want to. You can always shop your closet, shop your, you know, some previous lingerie that you wore last year or the year before. Throw it on, maybe not every single piece. Just piece it out, like if you want to wear a bra or if you want to wear a bustier, and then pair it with some vinyl leggings, you know. Very simple. Add that coat to it. You know, you're like a detective on a mission. Yes. So that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoy this quick haul, this quick unboxing without the box, because I decided no more boxes because it takes up too much time. And until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes, you, and you, and you, in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye, River Dirt Cheese.